Hello and welcome to our second tutorial on fractional powers. Now in this tutorial we are going to combine some of the rules we've already learned, which will help us to work out more complicated fractional powers. So let's work through the formula that we are going to use. Now suppose we have a to the power of x over y. So we've got a to the power of x over y. Now, in order to work this out, we need to simplify this. And the simple way to do this is to separate the power x over y. So what this becomes is a to the power of 1 over y, I'm going to put the brackets in, to the power of x. So that is our formula. So let's put a ring around this, as we will use this in our examples. So let's work through our first example. Suppose you have this question, 27 to the power of 2/3, and we have to work out what the answer is. 27 to the power of 2/3. Now using our formula, this simply becomes 27 to the power of 1/3, we put the brackets in, to the power of 2. So we have separated the 2/3 into two parts. Now the next stage is to work out 27 to the power of 1/3. Now you will recall from our previous tutorial, and I'll write the formula here, that y to the power of 1/3 equals the cube root of y. And this is how we write it down. So let's go through this. I'll change colors back to green again. So this becomes the cube root of 27, put the brackets in, to the power of 2. Now the cube root of 27 is basically what number multiplied by itself on 3 times will give us 27. The answer is 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Now we don't have to put the brackets in, but I'll write them again just to keep it consistent, to the power of 2. So now what is 3 squared? The answer is 9. So the answer to the question, 27 to the power of 2/3 is 9. The most important thing here is to follow the formula and go through this step by step and to show all the workings out. Now let's move on to our second example. And this time, suppose you are asked to work out what is 27 to the power of minus 2/3. 27 to the power of minus 2/3. Now the first step is to use our formula. This becomes 27 to the power of 1/3. Put the brackets in, to the power of minus 2. So we're going to take the minus outside the brackets. Now again, using our formula to work out 27 to the power of 1/3, let's write this again. It's important to keep writing these formulas, and by this way you will memorize all of them. This becomes y cube root. So let's work this out. This becomes the cube root of 27. We did this in the previous example, to the power of minus 2. The answer, as we know, is 3 to the power of minus 2. So I've just eliminated the brackets this time round. So what is 3 to the power of minus 2? Now we know from a previous tutorial, and I'll write the formula here, that x to the power of minus a, so a negative power, equals 1 over x to the power of a. So you eliminate the minus sign by writing down 1 over x to the power of a. So coming back to our question, so 3 to the power of minus 2 becomes 1 over 3 squared. So we've got rid of the minus sign. And the answer to this question is simply 1 over 9. So if you're asked to work out what is 27 to the power of minus 2/3, the answer is 1/9.